For over half a century, rocket technology followed an expensive pattern: build, launch, crash. Each mission culminated in valuable hardware scattered across our oceans, but SpaceX is fundamentally transforming this paradigm, so stick with me. By the end of this video, you won't just know why this flight matters, you'll feel like you're part of the mission. Most rockets, they're like fireworks, amazing to watch, but once they're done, they're done. But SpaceX, they're changing the game. Starship isn't just reusable, it's fully reusable. That means it launches, comes back, gets a quick tune-up, refuels, and is ready to fly again. And here's the best part. This isn't just a rocket for orbit or the moon. This is the system that could one day take us to Mars. Yeah, Mars. Let that sink in for a moment. So what's the big deal with this 7th test? Haven't they launched Starship before? Well, yes, but this one's on a whole new level. Let me break it down. This mission marks the debut of Ship 33, the most advanced Starship SpaceX has ever built. It's not just an upgrade, it's practically a brand new machine. It's taller, it's tougher, and it's got upgraded Raptor engines that pack enough power to launch something the size of a skyscraper into space. Then we've got Booster 14, the rocket's lowest stage. This thing has been tested in every way you can imagine. Static fires, spin tests, you name it. Think of it like a high-performance muscle car. Loud, fast, and built to handle anything. Together, Ship 33 and Booster 14 are the ultimate tag team, and Flight Test 7 is where they'll prove what they're really made of. So, let's break down how this epic mission is going to unfold step by step. Step 1. Liftoff. The moment everyone's been waiting for, Booster 14 fires up all 33 of its powerful engines, lifting Ship 33 into the sky. This is the raw power of SpaceX at its finest, pure thrust pushing the limits of what rockets can do. Step 2. Stage separation. Next, at the perfect moment, Booster 14 and Ship 33 separate. The booster heads back toward Earth, and Ship 33 continues its journey, rising higher into the sky. This is where the mission gets interesting. 2 separate pieces, each with its own path. Step 3. Booster catch. Now here's the wild part. Instead of letting Booster 14 crash into the ocean, SpaceX is attempting to catch it mid-air. They'll use their iconic Mechazilla tower. Think of it like a giant robot with 2 arms, reaching out to catch a rocket falling from the sky. It's like catching a falling javelin with chopsticks. Sounds insane, right? But if they pull this off, it's a huge game changer for how we recover rockets. Step 4. Re-entry and splashdown. Meanwhile, Ship 33 is still on its mission. It's got to survive the harsh re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, where the heat gets so intense it's like flying through molten lava. But that's not all. Once it survives that fiery descent, Ship 33 has to perform a controlled splashdown in the Indian Ocean. Every step of this mission is pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. And if it all works, it could change the way we explore space forever. Let's be honest, the stakes don't get any higher than this. If SpaceX successfully catches the booster, it's not just a win for them, it proves that reusability isn't just a cool idea, it's the future of space exploration. This is the moment that could change everything we thought we knew about rockets. And if Ship 33 pulls off a perfect re-entry, we're not just talking about a successful test flight, we're one huge step closer to sending humans beyond Earth's orbit for good. Mars, the moon, and beyond suddenly don't seem so far away. But here's the kicker. This mission isn't just about SpaceX, it's about all of us. It's about proving that humans can solve even the toughest, most impossible problems by pushing the boundaries of innovation. This isn't just a rocket test, it's a test of humanity's ability to dream big and make it happen. Every time SpaceX succeeds, the cost of going to space drops. That means more satellites for better internet, more experiments to cure diseases, and yes, more progress toward colonies on other planets. Starship isn't just a rocket, it's a promise that the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we build. This mission isn't without risks. Re-entry is notoriously dangerous. Catching a booster? Even harder. There's a reason no one's tried it before, but here's the thing about SpaceX. They thrive on risk. Every explosion, Every failure, every setback is just another step towards success. And that's what makes this mission so exciting. Whether it goes perfectly or not, we're going to learn something that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. If you're excited about what's coming next, don't forget to show some love with a like, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. And hey, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment and let me know.